Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial video on our channel, Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how you can change the password of your Kraken account. So if this sounds helpful to you, watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos. It is a quick and easy process to change the password, so let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open up the website of Kraken and then log into your account. After that's done, click on the profile and then go to settings. Then again, go to account. Now from here, you can see an option called change account password. Click on it. Then again, click on change password. Now, in order to change your password, firstly, you must enter in your current password. After that's done, enter in a new password. Make sure your password is at least 12 characters long, which must include one special character, one number, and a letter. Again, reconfirm your password. After that's done, click on confirm. Your password has now been successfully changed. So those were the few easy steps to change the password of your Kraken account. I hope you guys liked this video and found the video to be helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and we will be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.